You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Hey gang, welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. Now, BlueDevil Pour-N-Go head gasket sealer is an easy-to-use alternative solution if you recently discovered you have a leaking head gasket or another cooling system leak. Now, if you have a dirty or clogged cooling system, I'd really recommend flushing the entire system before installing this product. But let's get started. Now, installing this product is really simple, really easy. However, the directions need to be followed precisely. So when the engine is cold, remove the radiator cap. Now this is important. You don't want to remove the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Your system is under a lot of pressure and coolant is extremely dangerous at this temp. So let the whole thing cool off. That way you avoid any injury. So once you got the radiator cap removed, you want to check your coolant levels. Now, if the radiator is full, you want to drain down the antifreeze or the coolant to allow enough room so you could add the Blue Devil. So you want to start the engine cold and turn the heater on max. With the engine idling, you want to slowly pour the Blue Devil into the radiator. Now, if the vehicle does not have a radiator cap, with the engine off and cold, pour Blue Devil in through the top radiator hose. Don't pour it in the reservoir or the overflow tank. Now, a 4 to 6 cylinder is going to require a single bottle, whereas an 8 cylinder will require 2. Now, after pouring the Blue Devil, slowly replace the radiator cap, and with the cap securely in place, let the vehicle idle for about 50 minutes, maintaining normal operating temperature. Now, once that time is up, you simply turn the vehicle off, allowing again the engine to cool. So you want to undo that radiator cap, right? You want to top off the radiator with either antifreeze, coolant, or water. Blue Devil can actually remain inside the system. So drive your life and live leak-free. We'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.